Hi! I've styled simple today because it's Friday. And it's my last day for the year in the DC. I'll be working from home for the rest of the month, and I'm planning to take off as well. So let me see how it goes. And I didn't style much, so there is nothing to show. Okay, so basically, without my goggles, I don't look good. No, I look good, no? Okay, so basically, this is about sister code. Sister code means I happened to see a driver, Ola cab driver. So when they were making some turns, there was a truck driver adjacent to him. He was playing something in horn, some kind of music. And this cabbie, this driver, he responded with the music, with the horn music. They were talking in some sound language. And I asked what it is, and he said, no, he's telling me to go ahead. I was like, how do you even interpret it? Like, we talk that way. So I was thinking, it's a kind of bro code. This kind of bro code, no, when it happens, I'll tell you. When men want to escape from their women, they save each other, right? So in that case, this bro code really works. They signal each other and they'll try to escape from one another, okay? So, but what I am trying to say is a sister code. Sister code is nothing but, I happened to see this Indigo shoe video, right? That man was very rageful because daughter wants thin fat, and he was in the verge, he was shouting, he was yelling at the staff because of it. He had a valid reason. Because of the flight delay, something is going very bad. Although I appreciate the ladies' front staff's calm in the chaos kind of behavior, and I although very strictly condemn somebody to take it on the frontline staff, there is the sister code in us. Whichever world, whichever part of universe you go, as women, we have a sister code too. Any washroom you see, in ladies' washroom, if some girl is looking for napkin pad in like, it can happen, right? We don't carry all the time or unexpected periods, and suddenly we get it. This kind of situations when regardless of the other girl or not, you ask someone, you ask any woman, I want a pad, there will be always a willing hand to help, hand to support. We don't care. We just give it up because we know that's a sister code we always have. What shocked me is that person was literally shouting and he was literally yelling at her because of his daughter's going through this situation. We have this sister code with girls, like whenever we support each other during this kind of situation. You cannot find a lady ask pad, another lady did not give that. You don't find the situation at all. I was so shocked to see that man is yelling, and she didn't maybe she had made behind the scenes, it was not recorded on the video, but she didn't even care about it. He was shouting at it, right? She could have, like, we all have spare pads, right? And that too, in airline, they will definitely have something stocked for air hostess and all. And forget that. We can arrange something for him, right? It's the airline responsibility to do that. They shouldn't let him yell like that. In fact, they should treat him with honor. And the lady and the front staff lady, having that sister code, she was not responsive for his yelling request also. She could have told, like, no sir, we'll arrange that, we have it in the stock room or whatever, something. It is not like every passenger will come for the pad, right? It was an unexpected situation. That kind of risk, or like that kind of empathetic support did not come out. Maybe it's very chaotic and it was draining energy. Maybe people presence of mind wouldn't work when somebody else attacks, right? But the least any human could do is, okay, there is a situation, we'll help, we'll get a backup support, we'll try where it is, we'll arrange it for you. That's how it should be, right? I think that was missed. And sister code across women across the globe, and we never give up on each other, especially in terms of sanitary pad. I have never said no to anyone whoever had come and asked, and I think it's the same with every other woman. What do you think? Is the right thing to say? Think about it, ladies.